Hey, if you want to learn how to do side fishtail braid like this, keep watching. The things you'll need to do a fishtail braid are a brush, a non-frizz brush that looks like this, it just has this, a comb, which is optional, hairspray, any kind, but I use Claire's, and a hair tie, and some clips. What you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to brush out your hair really good so you don't mess up. Like this. And then you're going to brush out your hair with the non-frizz brush and it'll look like this. Then you're going to want to put your hair to either side. I usually use my right, and then this is optional. You have to split it up into two sides. You can use a comb to help you, but I just kind of guess. Once you got your two sides, you're going to want to make sure they're about even so they don't mess up. And the longer hair you have, the easier it is to do this. You're gonna want to make sure you have a tight grip on both of them, like this. You also want to clip all of your bangs out of the way, so make sure it's tight on this side, and then just clip it anywhere, like this. You have your two sides. You're gonna want to take the outside, a little pinch of the outside hair on the left side, this, and put it on the inside of the right side. And you're gonna want to continue that process for a while on each side. So you take the outside of one part of it and add it to the other side of the inside, like that. So let me give you an example. So like this, and you just add it like that to the left. The smaller pinches of hair you have, the better it's going to turn out. But if you're in a rush, you're probably going to have to use bigger pieces. Once your hair starts looking like this in your fishtail braid, you know you're doing it right. But if it doesn't look like this after like a minute or two, you are probably doing this wrong. So yeah. So it should look like this about now. So if it doesn't, then you're probably doing it wrong. I'm sorry. But yeah, this is what it should look like. So yeah, but this is what it looks like when you're taking smaller pieces. But if you're taking bigger pieces of your hair, then it's gonna look differently. It's kind of gonna look just like a regular braid. So that's not really good. Once you feel like you're done, because you're kind of like at this point where it's like barely any hair anymore, what you're gonna want to do is secure it. If it's really small like this, you're gonna need like a smaller little rubber band, but the bigger rubber bands will work, but this won't look as nice as this. So yeah, just tie it around like that. Sorry, it's taking me a while. And then there you have it. Okay, bye. Tip: if you have loose hair in the back, you can just clip it like as close to your braid as possible. Put it and clip it like that. So in the front it looks more better. And a way to put your bangs to the side, if you don't want your bangs, you can go like this, or you can put it on top like that. Yeah, anyway, basically, okay. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to do a side fishtail braid. Bye!